Today, we're diving into the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum, a versatile cleaner promising powerful suction and flexible modes for busy homes. We will explore its key features, performance, and overall value. Check the link in the description for the best price. This lightweight vacuum aims to make daily cleaning easier, especially for pet owners. First up, let's break down the core cleaning capabilities and how adaptable this Shark. The HyperVelocity suction is a key feature, promising incredible cleaning power for both daily tidying and high-traffic areas. Its versatile design handles bare floors and carpets well, easily converting into a handheld unit for tackling stairs, furniture. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is decent for many tasks, though this measurement is specifically. It includes both a crevice tool for tight spaces and a specialized pet multi-tool, making it great for homes. Overall, the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum brings powerful suction and excellent versatility to your cleaning. Next, we're assessing the everyday practicalities of using this vacuum and what kind. Being lightweight and portable, this vacuum is easy to maneuver, and the XL Dust Cup features a clean touch ejector. The freestanding storage design is quite practical. You can detach the handheld and clip it at the base for compact. Shark is generally known for reliable appliances, and this model features a smart low-profile design that helps it clean effectively. At its price point of $179.99, this vacuum provides a strong set of features, including powerful suction and specialized pet. This Shark vacuum offers strong practical usability and solid construction, presenting a good value for its price and features. The Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum stands out with its HyperVelocity suction and convenient 2-in-1 design, making it a solid choice for tackling pet hair and everyday messes. While the 40-minute runtime is a consideration, especially if used constantly, its lightweight build and useful attachments provide excellent versatility.